Gets the thing in the 11s. Dennis Kirkland's back. Nitrous LS GTO. Ryan Burge in the right lane. Burge, the Trailblazer SS. At the stripe, 1056, 1297 in the right lane. I also just got a message from Frank Beck. He says if you can't find next pair getting in the beams. Michael Butterfield in the right lane. The 3rd gen F-body and the 13 index. Ryan Burge in the left lane in the 13 index as well. $12.91 and $13.35, neither will be good. 55 wagon, watch the burnout. He loves burnouts, and you want to know why? They're free. Well, they cost tires, but Ryan Burge in the left lane. Burge in the 13.0 category. Tom Stark in the stick shift. Again, his crew chief, Blaine. He learned everything that he's doing from his dad, crew chief, and for him on junior dragsters. Tom has gone 1164 and 1162. This vehicle normally in the 10s, deep in the 10s. Been having problems all week with this car. At the stripe, 1040. There it is, and way off the gas too. 1040 at 119. So